After a long search for a countertop oven, I purchased this Breville Smart Oven. Right out of the box I was impressed at how beautifully built it was and how nice it looked on the counter. The controls are straightforward, the blue backlight is pleasing to the eye. The oven itself is large, it can toast up to 6 slices of bread, and is roomy enough to hold a fairly good-sized frozen pizza. It also comes with a 13-inch round pizza pan and a 12x12 broiling dish, along with the standard rack. So far, I have baked cakes, Italian bread, cupcakes, brownies, cookies, quiche, fish, roasted chicken breasts, pasta, and banana breads. It can fit 2 loaf pans at once, reheated a multitude of foods, all with perfect results. It holds a full-size bundt pan with no issue and bakes the cake perfectly. I love the fact I can use pans I already have, as it has such a large interior. The oven also contains 3 slots to position the rack, depending on what you are making. This is a really nice feature since it allows you to make sure that your food is evenly cooked and properly positioned next to the heating elements. The digital control module on this is also fantastic. I honestly get a bit worried when appliances begin to look too complicated and I have to read the instruction manual, but the controls on this are very intuitive and user-friendly. The quick start instructions and the brief manual are well written and easy to follow. In most cases, this oven can be used without referring to the manual. I haven't used my stove oven since I bought this countertop oven and I cook and bake with it almost daily. Preparing the bread and melted cheese of French onion soup actually takes 10 minutes with the smart oven when it used to take 40 with our gas oven. It is an energy-efficient oven. It heats up quick and cooks effectively. I love the fact I am saving energy using the Breville instead of the stove oven. I cannot say enough about this oven. It is worth every cent I paid for it. Overall, this is definitely a 5-star product. For more information and the great deal, please click the link below to Amazon. Thank you.